It's my birthday and I'm doing something different. I came to a shrine here in Pereira, which is a shrine that was built because apparently the Virgin Mary appeared here. And so they created a shrine in the middle of nature. And it's super, super, super beautiful. So I'm about to show you the little holy water fountains. People come here with illnesses, doubts, stress, and they wash away all that with the holy water. So I wanted to come here to connect. I don't necessarily practice Catholicism anymore, just because it's not something that I can relate to anymore. To me, it's more about spirituality rather than religion. But I still wanted to come here because it is, let's say, like a holy place. So I wanted to come here to do some introspection, pray, and just thank God and the universe and Mother Nature for another year of life. Okay, now the second part of my birthday is a massage day.
And a whole lot of other activities. Bamboo therapy, aromatherapy, relaxation.
Let's see those shorts. We look like Adam and Eve. I really needed this. This bag has been holding me up for 27 years.
You deserve it, baby, more.
Thank you.
Hello, hello, hello. Seguimos con la celebración de mi cumpleaños and we're on the way to Medellin.
We're in Medellin and look who is here. You might remember them from my Cali blog video in LA. They came to Colombia to experience my beautiful country. We're here! Bosco. We started in Guatapé, where we went glamping in an eco-friendly site called Bosco. We spent 2 nights here, relaxing, enjoying nature, eating good food, and most importantly, glamping. Wow, babe. Babe, look at this. What is this? It's my birthday month. It's my birthday week. Aquarius, Aquarius. This is so beautiful. What an amazing surprise, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome, babe. Oh, and the little booklet thing says to check out the
We're gonna have a little party.
A little wind down.
A little wind down, exactly, with our friends. It was a very relaxing morning, and now we're gonna go eat some lunch, go to the pool. I brushed my hair because I had it up in a bun yesterday, and I brushed it and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna straighten it. I'm gonna leave it like this to fit in with nature, untouched. What's the best thing to do while it's raining? Watch a movie, you guessed it. We enjoyed an Eddie Murphy and Martin Lawrence movie called Life. I definitely recommend it. It's on Netflix.
Why aren't you watching the movie?
Breakfast time. Okay, so we're leaving Bosco, and from what I'm hearing, it was a beautiful experience. Did you guys like it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, babe,
Especially our neighbors last night. They seemed to really like it.
So we're back in Medellin.
Medallo, hemos vuelto.
After chilling and relaxing, we drove back to Medellin for a city experience. Para mi cumpleaños, 27, mami. ¡Woo! We went to one of my all-time favorite restaurants, El Cielo. Salud. Welcome shot. Aguardiente, piña y espuma de naranja. Where dining there is such a unique experience.
I'm going to apply you chocolate Santander at 70% with 30% of coconut. You also can eat it this way.
You can see her.
Wow.
Tastes good.
Wow, that tastes good.
It was 13 courses, all with unique and traditional Caribbean Colombian flavors and ingredients.
So cool, dude.
Yeah.
That's so fucking cool.
After the restaurant, we went out for a bit and we met up with one of my friends, Meli. I had never seen the Medellin nightlife, so it was cool to experience it. Baby ordered brunch, 2 combo San Valentin. Thank you. We had a nice Valentine's Day, starting with a nice brunch combo. Happy Valentine's Day, my loves. Then lunch at a bar, which played amazing Afrobeats the whole time we were there. And to top it off, dinner at our Airbnb with a private celebrity chef who turned out to be J Balvin's and Maluma's chef while they're in Medellin. His food was amazingly delicious and a dream come true, or it will be a dream come true if I hire him as my personal chef. So we're pulling up to La Comuna 13. We're gonna do a free Comuna 13 tour. We're gonna tell you all about it. But basically, La Comuna 13 used to be one of Medellin's most dangerous neighborhoods. So we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna show you and I'll tell you more about it. This comuna started back in the 80s when land was literally being given away. Due to this, many low-income families moved there. To break the stereotype, Pablo Escobar was not from here, nor did he help out this comuna in any way besides the violence he caused the whole country and this neighborhood during his time. Up until very recently, this comuna or neighborhood could not be visited by any outsiders due to the violence that lived there. Not even cops would go in. They began to speak out against the government's lack of infrastructure or support. Slowly but surely, they cleaned up the neighborhood and is the only one in Colombia that counts with escalators to make transportation and getting around easier. It was very uphill, so thank God for those escalators. And it was a very successful birthday celebration. Ya de vuelta a Pereira. Yay, so finally a lounge that is open, right?
It's been like a year.
A year. This birthday celebration was special. Although COVID is still part of our daily lives, I am so very grateful that I was able to celebrate another year of life doing what I love, exploring, learning about new places, trying new foods, and going deeper within to heal and grow. Every single day is a God-given gift and an opportunity to connect with spirit and soul to be the best versions. Because if we can be the best version for ourselves, we can be so for others. If you want to see last year's birthday video in Australia visiting the Great Barrier Reef, check out the video card above. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.